Are you looking for how to convert Maildir files into multiple file format? And are you searching for trusted solution online? Corbett Software Backup and Restore Wizard, perfect tool to convert multiple Maildir files into multiple file format. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Convert Maildir files in email format like PST EML and MBOX. Convert Maildir files in documents format like PDF, HTML, CSV, etc. Migrate Maildir files to email servers like Gmail, Office 365, IMAP, etc. Maintains 100% data integrity of the converted files. Let's install and run the tool. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Data Files. Now select Maildir Files option. Then select Choose Folder option to browse Maildir folder from your system. You can choose the desired Maildir files folder from your system, and after selecting the folder, click Select Folder to proceed. The software has analyzed files and folders. You can enable the Compact View button to view the important folders. Select the required folder and software list all the emails in the panel. Now click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the email. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Message header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message such as sender, recipient, date, subject and more. The hex view lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw message preview for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Now you pick the emails field. You want to search for information from such name, subject to CC content and more. You can click here to close the advanced mode section. Now go to Export tab. It's give you multiple options to convert Maildir files such as EML, MBOX, PST, PDF, HTML, CSV, text. You can also migrate Maildir files to email servers like Gmail, Office 365, IMAP, etc. The Extract tab helps you take out email addresses, attachments, phone numbers, and more from the emails. Now go to Export tab, and select PST option from drop-down menu. Now you can also mark the required folder and unmark the rest folder as per your requirement. Now go to Browse option and pick a location to save the output. Now let's understand the advanced functions the tool one by one. The first is open folders. After export is done, if you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. Other to create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this. The last option is create individual PSD file for each folder. Apply these advanced options as per your requirement. Finally, go to Save button and see the live process of Maildir files conversion into PSD file format. If you want to convert complete data, then you need to buy license. After conversion process is done, then click on Open folder to view the output. Now you will see the output. Thanks for watching.